Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Valiant accused of plagiarism. A release from US-based dancehall artist Reggae has accused fast-rising dancehall star Valiant of stealing parts of his song titled Bad Man She Love to create his song What She Love. Reggae, the Montego Bay-born DJ, says he is not seeking attention or trying to create a feud with Valiant, but he would like the Dunce Tech artist to publicly admit that he reconstructed parts of his song to create his new single. Take a listen to the two songs. E-Prime reached out to Valiant's team for a comment. A representative says the allegations are false. Reggae's song was released last November, while Valiant's song was released just last week. Valiant's What She Love is already trending number 4 on YouTube. Sold out. Tickets for Beyoncé's first concert on her upcoming Renaissance World Tour, which went on sale yesterday, sold out in under 22 seconds. According to her concert management group, Live Nation, the online sale sold out in record time. Live Nation says a second concert in Stockholm was added because of the high demand. Beyoncé will perform both concerts at Friends Arena, which holds a capacity of 65,000. The tour starts in Sweden in May. This is the superstar's first world tour since her Formation tour back in 2016. Now Lil Yachty goes number 1, and it's not where you think. The rapper has departed from rap and has moved over to the rock genre. Now Reggae Month continues, and E-Prime over the weekend was at Frankie Music's Essence of Reggae Festival, held at Randy Williams Entertainment Center. Here are some of the sights and sounds from that event, featuring Tanya Stevens, Bugle, Lolly, and others in celebration of our culture and our music.
Realize I made a mistake, thought that I needed some space. Short and jolly, lolly, can't bully, a dolly, short and jolly. Boy bully, yeah, lifestyle can't easy, and that's a lifestyle not easy. This man don't trouble no one, but if the trouble is, man, put on some music, turn it way down low. Low soft keys.
Hope you enjoyed as much as we did. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.
For 10 o'clock, me say.